because the lower portion is being heated, but the upper portion is still uncooked. You have to turn it upside down. Especially you need this thing, this instrument. Without this instrument, you cannot do it. How would you call it? A jar or something like that?
A wok. That's a wok. That's a spread.
So, what do you think? Are they cooked? No, it is something. It is you who are going to judge. I am saying something in front of you. So, what do you say? Has it been cooked or no? Any other guess? No. Good. I told you, it has to be crispy brown. It is still yellow. So he is taking another shift. For example, you have some guests invited to your home, and you also want to join them in the discussion or in the talk or something like that. You just don't want to be in the kitchen cooking over there. So you half fry them, eat them outside, and then when they are about to come or when they have come, you just go for the second round, boil it once or heat it once again, and fry it once again, and then they will be brown, crispy and ready, and it can be served.